Today we're doing an installation on a 2007 Range Rover HSE. We're installing a PC10. Make sure your vehicle is off and your key fob is about 30 feet away. Leave your door open for about 15 minutes. Then get under your gas pedal. Disconnect the stock gas pedal sensor. Plug in your Pedal Commander male and female. It's as easy as plug 1, plug 2. Make sure your pedal assembly is screwed back in securely. And you're all set. It's connecting. There it is. Okay, so right now you are in.
I'm in
City.
City
plus 2. Let's go ahead and just turn off the unit. So right now it's off.
Okay, and
All
we're
right.
gonna go to sport.
Right now, let's just leave it off, get out in the drive,
Okay.
and then we'll turn on Sport Plus. That way you can really feel the difference from driving right away.
Good. Okay.
Sport Plus 3.
Yeah, that's nice. Fills it out a little bit more.
Yeah. So the cool thing is you can make it right, and then the entrance is right here.
Okay.
So you can really customize it, really, you know?
What do you recommend? What if can we go around one more time?
Yeah, absolutely,
Sport Plus 1?
absolutely.
Sport Plus.
Sport Plus? Yeah. Let's just go one
So
up. Sport Plus. So now you should be in Sport Plus.
Oh, okay, you just did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's Sport Plus nothing. That's just Sport Plus on its own.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. And what do you recommend? What do you think's best for us?
I mean, from what I've felt,
Yeah.
I think your car would probably be good in like a City Plus 3 or a Sport, maybe Sport Plus base. Possibly Sport -2. Sport Plus -2.
Oh, you mean so you go negative and positive?
You can go 4 up or 4 down.
Oh, I
so if
see.
Sport Plus is normal, you could go Sport Plus 2, you could go Sport -2.
I see.
So you can really play with it a lot.
I see. That's good. And the Sport Plus, what is the downside to that for you? I mean, what do you?
I mean, the only
excited about
downside,
the mileage.
basically that's what it is, yeah. The mileage. You're gonna use a little more gas,
Yeah.
but you're having a lot more fun, so it's almost a good
Yeah.
trade-off.
Yeah. Exactly.
So all in all, was it what you expected, or what did you expect from the Pedal Commander?
My expectations have been so low about most things recently that I was a little skeptical. Not skeptical now. That really worked nicely. Really filled out the power band on it. Really recommend it to anybody who's interested in coming up on the performance.
Nice.
On the stock 4.4. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you, man. Which was your favorite mode that you felt?
So far, because I can jump out in traffic a little bit more, was
Yeah.
that Sport Plus.
Yeah.
So I didn't feel like such an old lady.
Nice. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, guys.
Enjoy the rest of your driving.